impression. Upbeat music, visuals of a brain, or human behavior. Host. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology. Our minds are capable of amazing things, and today we'll explore some surprising psychological facts that will leave you thinking differently about yourself and others. Let's get started. Segment 1. The power of first impressions. Visuals of people meeting for the first time. Host. Did you know that first impressions are formed in just 7 seconds? That's right. Our brains quickly assess someone's personality, trustworthiness, and even intelligence in just a few moments. This is because our brains are wired to make snap judgments to help us navigate social situations. So, the next time you meet someone, remember those first few seconds really do count. Segment 2. The halo effect. Visuals of attractive people getting more attention. Host. Speaking of first impressions, ever noticed how we tend to think attractive people are smarter or kinder? This is called the halo effect. It's a cognitive bias where our overall impression of someone influences how we feel and think about their character. For example, if someone is physically attractive, we may assume they are also more successful or intelligent, even without knowing them well. Segment 3. The mirror neuron effect. Visuals of people mirroring each other's actions. Host. Have you ever yawned just because you saw someone else do it? That's thanks to mirror neurons in your brain. These neurons fire when we see someone else perform an action, which is why we sometimes mimic others without even realizing it. This plays a big role in empathy too. When we see someone in pain, our mirror neurons help us feel that emotion, allowing us to connect on a deeper level. Segment 4. The 5-to-1 rule in relationships. Visuals of a happy couple interacting. Host. Here's an interesting fact for all you romantics out there. Research shows that in successful relationships, there is a 5-to-1 ratio of positive to negative interactions. For every negative comment or conflict, there need to be 5 positive experiences to keep the relationship healthy. So next time you argue with a friend or partner, remember to balance it with positivity. Segment 5. The Zeigarnik effect. Visuals of unfinished tasks. Host. Have you ever noticed that unfinished tasks linger in your mind more than completed ones? That's called the Zeigarnik effect. Your brain tends to hold on to incomplete tasks because it feels unresolved, which is why you might feel anxious until they're done. It's also why cliffhangers in TV shows keep us hooked. Segment 6. Your brain on stress. Visuals of someone under stress. Host. Stress doesn't just affect your mood, it actually shrinks your brain. Prolonged stress can cause the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory, to shrink. That's why it's so important to manage stress through techniques like meditation, exercise, or even deep breathing to keep your brain healthy. Segment 7. Why we procrastinate. Visuals of someone putting off work. Host. We've all been there, putting off tasks until the last minute. But why do we procrastinate? Psychologically, it's linked to delay discounting, where we prioritize immediate gratification over long-term rewards. Essentially, our brains prefer to avoid discomfort now, even if it means more stress later. To overcome this, try breaking down tasks into smaller steps or using the Pomodoro technique for short bursts of productivity. Segment 8. The IKEA effect. Visuals of assembling furniture or DIY projects. Host. Ever wonder why you feel so proud of something you've built or created, even if it's not perfect? That's called the IKEA effect. It's a psychological phenomenon where people place a higher value on things they've put effort into. This is why DIY projects or assembling furniture from scratch feels so rewarding. It's not just about the end result, but the effort you put in. Conclusion. Visuals of brain or behavior-related imagery. Host. The human mind is truly amazing, and these psychological facts offer just a glimpse into how it shapes our behavior, emotions, and decisions. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Outro with social media handles and subscribe message. Host. If you found these psychology facts fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.